Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very beautiful motion sensor outdoor light, but it's not only a motion sensor light, it has actually 3 different modes which I really like. It's super important to have this mode so it works pretty much in every location for every need. By the way, these 3 modes are the manual mode, which is actually dusk to dawn, so it still works automatically with a photo sensor. And the 2 automatic modes are like a high and a low. On the high setting, it's working with 30% all the time and 100% when there is motion. And with the low, it's off when there's no motion and still 100% when there is some motion. And it's not only very beautiful one, it's also nicely protected against rain, heat, cold, and even against rusting. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. And so you can see it comes nicely protected with a lot of cushion. So it has arrived in perfect condition. And so we have it here. Watch how beautiful this thing is. Yeah, absolutely awesome design. Very sturdy and still beautiful. We still have access from underneath to the bulb. So if you have to replace that, you can easily access that. You don't have to use any tools or so. Here in the back we can see this easy mount. So we can first secure the very lightweight mounting plate, and after the mounting plate is secured we can use these 2 screws and attach it to the mounting plate. This is exactly how we want it. And also for the switch we don't have to use any tools, so we can screw the lid off here, remove the lid, and so we have easy access to this switch. And right underneath we have the very wide angle 220 degrees passive infrared motion sensor, and it's very sensitive, so it can detect motion up to 33 feet away. And very important, of course, to remove the protection here. By the way, the light doesn't come with a light bulb, but it's a standard E26 light socket, and that gives you the opportunity to choose whatever you want. So you can use either cold white, warm white, something in between. And you get also the installation material, and it comes also with an instructions manual. But it definitely doesn't look very complicated. So I'm going outside, attach it to my shed, use it for a while, and then let you know what I think about that. And so I've been installing the light now, even alone on a high ladder. With the help of a wire I've been able to secure the light up there, and so I've been able to connect the wires with the wire nuts easily. I really loved the mounting plate, which is super flexible, so you don't have to be very precise regarding how you add the screws. You can adjust that later. You have the light absolutely perfect vertically mounted. That's an awesome thing. And so it looked already great during the day, but of course during the night even much better. I've been trying a couple of different settings and all have been working absolutely awesome. I've been showing the light to the whole family and all of them were absolutely blown away. It's so much more beautiful than my old light. It's an absolutely perfect fit for my shed, and it has been working the whole night, reliable, even though we had a rain shower. And I've also tested the motion sensor sensitivity, and it works really good, even during the day with high heat in the test mode, but of course works much more reliable during the night. So everything has been working really good. I mean, I'm not 100% sure about the length of the screws inside to mount the cover plate. Maybe I also mixed some things up. It was super hot outside. I didn't feel very good. So maybe it was also my fault. Can't really absolutely remember anymore. Maybe just one thing to remember, that this light is open at the bottom. It's not closed. So of course it will attract some mosquitoes and other insects. Other than that, it has been working really good for me. Again, we definitely love it. Absolutely beautiful, sturdy, easy to mount. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.